What's up, YouTube? It's a boy, Tavares Savage Fox, Jayden, the man and the title champion.
Hi. And April Petty, the Savage
Girl.
John Cena Savage Girl. Yep. So we're gonna make the voice challenge. How long?
Of Jeffy and some other characters. We're just doing one.
We're just doing
about Annoying Orange. Annoying Orange. Yeah, and then we're gonna find out how he laughs. So we'll see you in the next video. But
this time we're going to do Annoying Orange, but we're gonna see how he laughs. But this time we're gonna get
millions of views, man.
So I'm gonna do a voice challenge, and y'all gonna see how long I can use my voice and keep going.
So she goes first, and we gonna count. Then you go, then you gonna count, and then I go.
But you can't do this. And then, like, you can't stop. And so I'm gonna make up a sound.
The thing is, take your longest breath and just blow slowly, like. And then at the end,
it's gonna be me now. Stop. It's my turn. All right, I'm gonna make this lit. All right, let's get it.
3,
2, 1. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. You got
11 seconds.
You got 12 laughs. Keep laughing.
I can't, cause I just stopped. I just stopped because I didn't have no more breath.
Okay.
So she got 11.
You can't do this. 15. No, he can't do this. That's what you can't. You can't do this, Tavares. You can't do this. When you feel like stopping,
He got 15 seconds.
Okay, let's see how long Jayden. Stop.
That was 16. I mean, 18, 19.
Okay.
It was 20. I got 20.
Alright, let Jayden
2, 1.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. You can stop now. You got 20. We both got tied.
Can I get me something?
I'm putting it down.
Yeah, you will.
Alright, my turn again.